Hey, do you want to learn how to use frames in Canva? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. First, you need to open up a project in Canva, and then on the left-hand side, you're going to find elements. Press on it. Then on the right, you need to scroll down. You're going to find browse categories. Under it, you'll see frames. This is going to help you to get different shapes, which can act as frames. I'm going to show you what you can do with the frames next. There's also grids and mockups. They also work as frames. So I'm going to press on frames here, and let's go with the basic shapes like this one. I'm going to press on it, and it's going to be inserted in our canvas on the right hand side. Now let's say I've got this image here on the right. I can take it, drag it over to our frame, and it's going to be inserted inside the frame itself. Now I can click on it and change the corner rounding like this. Now, if you want to move the picture around inside the frame, so left or right, you can double click it and then click and hold it, move it left or right with your mouse, and it's going to work. There's also this crop on the left hand side. You can do a smart crop, rotate it around like that. That also works. There's also expand. And yeah, let's just do done. Now, if you want the image out of this frame, you can right click it and detach image here. Press on it. On the left hand side, you're also going to find other frames. So film and photo, devices, paper, flowers, blob, and a lot more. Now, if I go back and go to mockups, I can click here on smartphones, add it here on the left hand side, take this photo, drag and drop it inside that smartphone. Now I can double click it, smart crop, apply changes, and there you go. Now I can double click this, move this around over here. On the left hand side, I can click on this image and move it left or right to change its position, and then click on apply changes. Just like that, you can do it. You've also got grids here, so I can press on grids. With grids, if you've got like multiple images and you want to put them inside grid, you can do that. For example, let's take this one. Now I can go into elements, browse photos here. Let's take this one, put it inside this second grid. Go to elements, take this and put it inside the first grid. And I think let's take this for the third grid on the bottom. So yeah, this is how the grids will work. And just like I showed you before, you can double click one of these, move it around to set the position of these images inside your grid. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use frames in Canva. I hope this video helped solve the problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Canva related guides and fixes. You can also check out my product that I've created, Canva Christmas templates. It will be available under the description of this video. See you there. Bye for now.